Diego and Marie presents A Secret Sense of Home, an early science adventure. Story and illustrations by Robert Magnuson. Marie said to Diego,
I have a game. I know a place that I'm sure you can't name.
Oh, really?
Diego quickly replied.
Well, give me a clue and I'll give it a try.
The place I'm thinking of is where I love to sleep. It's warm and it's cozy because of its heat.
Say nothing more.
Diego stood proud and tall.
My skin felt the warmest place of them all. In the back of this place, where they cook all the meals, is the warmest of kitchens your tadpoles will feel.
So the friends snuck right in and got down on the floor till they crawled to a spot near the red kitchen door.
This isn't the place that I had in my mind. The warmth that I know is a different kind. This place feels too hot and it's making me sweat. I'm afraid you don't know my secret place yet. Now, listen more closely before running around. The place I am thinking of has a bell ringing sound.
Well, let's go to the history. There's a place that's quite near. It's known for its ringing by my big goat ears. This place has two bells, and boy, can they ring! Just perk up your ears, you can hear them both sing.
Ah! I cannot hear you! My ears have gone sore! I have never heard ringing so loud before!
The game's tough with a puzzle to do. I'm sure I can solve it with just one more clue.
Aside from its warmth and its bell ringing fair, the place that I lay on is covered with hair.
That's it!
Diego snapped as his eyes sparkled bright.
I now know the spot, and I'm sure I am right. Here in this place, there are chimes that will ring, and then there are blowers for heating up things. Now, see on the floor, underneath the bench chair. Do you see what I see? There's black cut up here.
But the hair in my place looks white and not black. And they aren't cut up then swept in a sack. One last clue. Let's see what you think. This place gives me milk, all the milk I can drink.
Oh!
Diego said.
You gave it away. I will now put an end to this game that we play. You see, I guessed right. This spot is the place. I can tell that I am right by the look on your face. I know there's milk whenever ice cream is made. It's the sweetest delight that my tongue ever craved.
But where's the warmth? And where's the white hair?
See? This man has a bell that he rings in the air. You got me.
Diego cried.
I can guess what you're thinking. What has milk, warm, white hair, and a bell that keeps ringing?
I have one last clue. Perhaps then you'll see. The place that I speak of smells exactly like me.
Diego leaned over and took a whiff with his nose.
You smell just like powder, with a touch of red rose.
Just then, Diego's nose caught the same rosy smell. His ears heard the sound of a softly ringing bell.
It's coming from a mommy cat with hair like Marie's.
Aha! And she even has milk.
And I'm as warm as can be. That's when it hit Diego like a bolt from the blue. When the cat hugged her kitten, he finally knew.
So, a place can be a shop or a town that you're from. But it can also be a spot like the arms of your mom.
Yay! You finally got it, Diego!
It was easy, Marie.